Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Japan's 1% gain today assured a gain for the week. However, the losses in other large regional markets were reduced today. Europe's Stoxx 600 has seen a slight gain of 0.3% over the past 5 days, snapping a 5-day drop. Futures in the USA trade with a slightly more firm bias. The dollar is generally less expensive than the G10 currencies. The strongest currencies are the yen and Swiss franc, with gains of around 0.4%. Canadian dollars are off around 0.25%, which is a sign that they have lost their popularity. Also, the Australian dollar and Norwegian Krone are trading at the downside. Gold is continuing to recover from Monday's key reversal. It is now pushing past the 200-day moving mean to $1,800. January WTI was at its lowest yesterday and has firmed slightly above $72.0. Asian Pacific market. Australia's government has announced a 12-month limit on energy prices. It will also offer as much as $1.5 billion in subsidies to help ease the cost of living. In October's budget, the government projected at least a 50% rise in electricity prices by June 2024 and a 40% rise in gas prices. Prime Minister Albanese today announced that the government will compensate energy producers for production costs exceeding the caps. However, the measures will vary between states. The Australian dollar fell to $0.6670 during the middle of this week, and it tested 0.6800 today. Today's dollar fell to a low of JPY 135.75, a 4-day low. Some hedging may have been done to protect the $1.32 billion options that will expire today. Market of Europe. The ECB will announce the prepayment of targeted long-term financing operations earlier today. The pace at which the repayment is being made could impact the ECB next week's discussion on the unwinding of its balance sheet. Through loans and bond purchases, the ECB balance sheets grew. Today's trading saw the euro reach almost $1.0590, its highest level since Monday. Sterling traded today at slightly more than $1.2275, a 4-day high. Market of America. A short-lived spike in WTI price caused by the Keystone Pipeline's shutdown due to a Nebraska leak caused by the Keystone Pipeline shut down in a snap. The news reported that prices rose more than 4% from their lowest level of the year. January WTI rose from $72.30 to $75.45, but fell to new 11-month lows of $71 within hours. Yesterday's preview of preliminary December survey results from the University of Michigan and the PPI was good, but data are due today. Yesterday, the US dollar was a little under CAD 1.3600, but it has been rebought today and is now close to 1.3640 in Europe's morning. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.